Hello?
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 Where the sir?
Yeah?
You see you the other taxi? I dey outside.
Sorry?
I say see you the other cab.
Yeah, taxi, yeah.
I dey outside your house.
Alright, give me a second, I'm coming.
I beg let me bring pure water if they come we wake up well because I don't understand this one. Oh. It just the hot like say the important from Jupiter. Hello? Hello? We ready cut. You run. This Yahoo boys. He has. He buy house, he no buy car. And me be this.
Taxi?
Taxi. Enter.
Yeah, good afternoon.
So how are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
And so where are you? Where you dey go?
Sorry?
Like where you dey go? Like oyinbo. I mean where's your destiny? Like your destination, where you are going to?
I'm going to Banana Island, bro. Banana Island, bro.
Okay, Highland. Which side for Highland? You see Lekki or you see Aja? You know there are different Highland. Or you see the Ekpe.
I'm going to Banana Island, bro. Next to Ikoyi.
Okay, you now be my Arsenal house. That's Ikoyi now. That on the Ikoyi, that one that close to Ikoyi Street. That's around Ikoyi Club, Abi.
Yeah.
Okay. Now 13.5. Yeah.
13 waiting. 13.5. Think I be Johnny just come? Guy, better take time, oh. This one where you don't make me sit down for sun, they talk rubbish first, they ask me stupid question, ask me whether I be oyinbo. Guy, better take time, I know they fuck with you. 13.5 for where? Where are you carrying me to go?
Wait, calm down.
Wait, where are you carrying me to go?
Why can't the verse for me? I been me be the predicament of your problem. If person don't verse inside, I don't want to come and say you may come the verse for me. If you don't get my money, you go come down, no be your car. Now me get car.
Bro, see your mouth, you just dey run your mouth anyhow because you don't see oyinbo, you think say go extort and collect big money. Now my money won't use build your house, abi? Guy, better take
Hey,
Tell me
what yourself? What? Come that. Wait, come on. Wait,
Come on,
I don't go. I go beat you to speak what? I go beat you, go forget your son. Where I go?
you never go. Bro,
Wait.